Up to 100 megabytes per second read, and 40 megabytes per second write speed. Designed for high endurance so you can record for up to 20,000 hours for 256 gigabytes, 10,000 hours for 128 gigabytes, 5,000 hours for 64 gigabytes, and 2,500 hours for 32 gigabytes. Rated Class 10 and video speed U3 and V304, the SanDisk High Endurance MicroSD card has the speed to record in full HD or 4K. Up to 120 megabytes per second transfer speeds and up to 120 megabytes per second read speed. It loads apps faster with A1 rated performance. A1 performance is 1500 read IOPS, 500 write IOPS. The SanDisk Ultra MicroSD card is temperature proof, waterproof, shock proof, and X-ray proof. It comes with 10-year manufacturer warranty. Customer ratings are 4.8 out of 5 with 7,598 people bought it so far. Up to 100 megabytes per second read and 30 megabytes per second write speeds. Handles large video files quickly and seamlessly. Continuous recording up to 25x longer than speed-focused cards gives you long-lasting, best-in-class endurance up to 43,800 hours of 4K and Full HD, 1080p, recording and playback. Best performance for dash cams, surveillance and security cams, body cams, etc. The memory card is built to stand up to harsh conditions with 5 proofs: water, shock, temperature, X-ray, magnet, to safeguard your critical data. The Samsung Pro Endurance 128GB offers a 5-year limited warranty. Customer ratings are 4.8 out of 5 with 8,114 people bought it so far. Up to 90 megabytes per second read speed and 20 megabytes per second write speed. It comes with Class 10 and UHS-1, U1. Customer ratings are 4.7 out of 5 with 11,261 people bought it so far. Minimum data transfer speed of 10 megabytes per second. A high-performance MLC flash-based UHSI MicroSD is an essential component for your dashcam. It acts as a backup system where the video files created by your dashcams are stored so that you are well protected with evidence. UHSI technology delivers high-speed file transfer performance. It comes with 6-month warranty. Customer ratings are 4.1 out of 5 with 24 people bought it so far.